If you're wondering how to collect data from Twitter with Browse AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how this powerful software can easily scrape data from Twitter and help you gain insights in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Browse AI is an essential tool for anyone looking to automate their Twitter data collection. Now, what makes Browse AI so special? It's a tool designed to simplify web scraping without needing any coding skills. Whether you're looking to gather tweets, follower data, or analyze engagement, Browse AI has got you covered. But before we dive in, I've got a little surprise for you. Stick around till the end, and I'll tell you how to access this software for free with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So how does Browse AI work with Twitter? The first thing you'll want to do is sign up and set up a new task. With Browse AI, you're not manually collecting data anymore. This software automates the entire process for you. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll select a pre-configured browser task, like scrape Twitter profile data, and from there, you simply point Browse AI to the page you want to gather data from. You'll be able to collect everything from tweets to followers, engagement stats, and even details on specific hashtags. The real magic happens when Browse AI starts running the task. It uses machine learning to intelligently scrape data, making sure that you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information without you having to spend hours doing it manually. Now, why is this tool perfect for Twitter data collection? Twitter's fast-paced environment and vast amounts of content make it tough to keep track of what's happening in real time. That's where Browse AI steps in. Whether you're tracking a specific account's tweets, collecting user engagement data, or even monitoring trends, Browse AI helps automate that tedious data extraction process. You might be thinking, is it really that easy? Well, yes. The best part is that Browse AI doesn't require any technical skills. You won't have to write a single line of code to get the data you need. This is great news for marketers, analysts, or anyone who needs quick access to Twitter insights without the hassle of learning complex scraping techniques. One of the most valuable features of Browse AI is its ability to scale. You can set up multiple tasks at once and let them run in the background, meaning you can focus on analysis or other important aspects of your project while Browse AI does the work. This allows for truly automated Twitter data collection, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Plus, with the power of artificial intelligence, Browse AI can adapt to changes in the Twitter interface, which means you don't have to worry about it breaking down over time. It'll keep collecting data for you no matter how much Twitter evolves. And here's the best part. If you want to try Browse AI for yourself, click the link below. You'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial that gives you full access to this amazing tool so you can start collecting Twitter data immediately. Browse AI isn't just a tool, it's an investment in efficiency. By automating your data collection process, you'll free up time to focus on what really matters, analyzing your results and making data-driven decisions. So make sure to grab your free trial and start scraping Twitter data today. Remember, this offer is exclusive to this video, so take advantage of it while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below to get your hands on Browse AI for free and unlock those exclusive bonuses.